So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss any updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So guys, yesterday we predicted a bullish move on gold. I told you guys clearly right for today, which is on Monday, gold will be giving us a bullish move. And take a look at what gold is. Gold eventually gave us the bullish. So this is one of the reasons why if you are yet to subscribe to the mentorship program that is currently going on, I think you will be missing out because the link to the Patreon mentorship program in the comment section. So once you subscribe to the Patreon, we are going to cover a lot right for you guys. So make sure you subscribe right to the Patreon channel, which are currently offering mentorship here. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on more solid and back-to-back updates. Now, guys, market has given us a bullish move. Now let's take a look at what market is going to be giving us again for Tuesday. So let's start with our trend on gold. It is very clear that gold is on an uptrend move, right? Now for quick analysis, we are going to see this to be our first high, and this is our higher low. Then we will take a look at this to be our higher high, and then comes the higher low. Now we will take a look at this again to be our higher high, and then comes the higher low. Now we will take a look at this to be our higher high. Now we should be expecting an higher low on gold. So gold should be giving us an higher low. After the higher low, then it should push up one more time to give us a new higher high. So guys, also we will continue the bullish move of gold for. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on updates, and also subscribe to the mentorship program. You'll find the link in the comment section.